Hi students, welcome back to our mathematics class. Today we will continue our lesson the perimeter and area. Children, do you remember the last class? On that class we considered the topic the area of a parallelogram. Today we are going to consider the topic the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into b into h. B, the base of the triangle, and h is the height of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to half into b into h. So dear children, look at this triangle. Here the base length is 6 cm and the height of the triangle is 4 cm. Find the area of the triangle. We know that area of the triangle is equal to half into b into h. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 cm into 4 cm. That is equal to 12 cm square. So the area of the given triangle is 12 cm square. So dear children, for triangle area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. That is A is equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. From this equation we find out its base. Base is equal to 2 into area divided by height. B is equal to 2 into A divided by H. And height is equal to 2 into area divided by base. H is equal to 2 into A divided by B. Now consider the example. Find BC. If the area of the triangle ABC is 36 cm square and the height AD is 3 cm. Here the area of the triangle is 36 cm square and height is 3 cm. We want to find out its base length. Height is equal to 3 cm. Area is equal to 36 cm square. Here we want to find out the length of the base. And we know that base is equal to 2 into area divided by height. Here area is 36. So 2 into 36 divided by height 3. So divided by 3. 2 into 36 divided by 3 is equal to 24 centimeter. So base is 24 centimeter. Look at this example. In triangle PQR, PR is equal to 8 centimeter, QR is equal to 4 centimeter and PL is equal to 5 centimeter. Find first one the area of the triangle PQR and second one the length of QM. Consider the first one. Here QR is the base is equal to 4 centimeter and PL is the height of the triangle PQR, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then area of triangle PQR is equal to half BH, 1 by 2 into 4 into 5, that is equal to 10 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle PQR is equal to 10 centimeter square. Now we are going to consider the second part. Here PR is equal to base is equal to 8 centimeter. We want to find out the length of QM. Here QM is the height of the triangle PQR. We know that area of triangle is 10 centimeter square and the height is equal to 2 into area divided by base, that is equal to 2 into 10 divided by 8. Here base is 8 centimeter. So the answer is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore QM is equal to 2.5 centimeter.